Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have a Sharekhan special report, Q3 of FY24 Results Review. Healthy earnings growth sustains. In Q3 of FY24, aggregate EBITDA of Nifty 50 companies grew by 10% and PAT grew by 14% year-on-year, above our estimates of 7% and 11% respectively, on margin tailwinds, while revenue growth remained soft at 6% year-on-year, which was in line. OMCs, metals, cement and auto sector reported an EBITDA bit, while IT, consumer staples, utilities and agri-chemical sectors missed the mark. Earnings bit-miss ratio was favourable as 46% of Nifty 50 companies beating estimate, while 28% missed the earnings estimate. For the Sharekhan coverage universe, earning growth of 90% year-on-year beat our estimates of 14%. Management commentary is suggesting a revival in private capex, which was lagging earlier, driven by industrial, cement, power, infrastructure, logistics, real estate, chemical and pharma sector. The Nifty and Sensex are close to their all-time highs and have given strong return in the past 12 months, which is 25% and 21% respectively. The Nifty's valuation of 20 times FY25 and 18 times FY26 estimated earnings are still reasonable, despite a strong run-up in the past 12 months, given expectation of a likely reversal in the interest rate cycle globally in calendar year 24 and strong domestic demand and healthy corporate earnings growth. High conviction investment ideas in large cap space are DLF, ICICI Bank, SBI, L&T, Tata Motors, Tata Consumers, Sun Pharma, Hero MotoCorp, NTPC, Power Grid, IndusInd Bank, TCS, and SRF. High conviction investment ideas in mid-cap space are BEL, APL Apollo, HAL, Indian Hotels, PNB, Bank of India, Sanofi India, LTTS, CESC, Stride Pharma, and Mrs. Bector's Food. High conviction investment ideas in small cap space are Kirloskar Oil Engines, RK Forgings, Shami Hotels, Caplin Point, Garware High-Tech, Suraj Estates, Suntech Realty, Birla Soft, Subros, GFCL and Sudarshan Chemical.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.